So we're back to the next project today, which is solving the erratic blinker, because I put a new Addicted to Off-Road bumper on the actual car, and I'll show you what it's doing. Because I installed two LED lights up in the front, you can see the blinker is blinking pretty fast. Oh, sorry, wrong one. You can see it's blinking way too fast. So I was able to pick this up at a local auto store, O'Reilly's Auto Parts. As you can see, it's a EP35 relay flasher. You can easily pick this up for around $13. And you just want to make sure it says works with LEDs and incandescent bulbs, or a mixture of both. That way you don't have to do any other work. Okay, to get started, you'll just need to get a 10mm socket out and go ahead and unscrew these 4 bolts where you see that I marked them on the picture. A little bit of a struggle, but kind of just need to pull this out enough, and this is the relay that you need to replace. Okay, once you have the plastic front right here, you're going to need to get this circuit panel off. There's a bolt right here, and there's a bolt up here, so you'll probably need an extender. A little bit of a struggle, but kind of just need to pull this out enough, and this is the relay that you need to replace. Okay, so I went ahead and replaced that relay, and what you're seeing here is me testing the blinkers. And you can actually see it's a nice steady pace, just like it used to be. And what I'll do here is I'll go back around and show you both sides. As you can see, it's working up front. And then I'll just head over here to the back, and you'll see that this is the incandescent bulb that came with the vehicle. And no problems, it's blinking like it should be. And everything worked just fine. So that is how you go ahead and complete this repair, or this upgrade. Makes it a little bit easier than actually having to add resistors onto wires and stuff like that. So thanks very much for watching.